you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So today's video is going to be a one brand makeup tutorial. I am going to use everything from LA Girl. LA Girl is really affordable, really good affordable brand. I just created this look from my primer to my setting spray. I used everything from LA Girl except my eyelashes. Eyelashes are from Miniso. So yeah, if you guys are interested to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so I'll start with the face today. I already moisturized my face. Now I'm going to jump straight to the primer. For primer, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Prep HD High Definition Smoothing Primer. So I have one foundation and one BB cream from LA Girl. This foundation is really good for dry skin. If you have dry skin, I suggest you to go for this one. But if you have oily skin, they also have one for like Pro Matte or something like that. I'll put some picture right here. If you have oily skin, you can go for this one. But if you have dry skin, you can go for this one. Or if you don't like to use foundation, you can always use some BB cream. Today I'll be using this one. This is in the shade medium. I'm just going to take a little bit of this luminator, mixing it well. If you want some coverage, then you can go ahead and use second layer. For concealer, I'm going to take this Pro Concealer. I am in the shade Pure Beige. Pure Beige is like my exact shade, and I take Creamy Beige to highlight. Also to the lids. I mixed both Pure Beige and Creamy Beige because Pure Beige is like my exact shade and Creamy Beige is a little bit light, so I use Pure Beige to conceal and Creamy Beige to highlight. And also, if you are thinking of buying anything from LA Girl, then I suggest you to visit Pretty Click Nepal. I will also put their link in the description box because Pretty Click Nepal is authorized dealer of LA Girl and other few different brands, I guess. उहाँहरुकोमा चाहिँ especially LA Girl को अलिकति less price मा हुन्छ as compared to other stores because they are authorized dealer. And also LA Girl is really good affordable brand. So if you are thinking of buying anything from LA Girl, then you guys need to visit Pretty Click Nepal. You guys can go and check them out. Tell them that I sent you. So yeah. Now the concealer is nicely blended. I am going to quickly set this concealer with this LA Girl Pro powder. Taking a little bit on that same sponge, I'm going to press this wherever I applied the concealer. This powder is quite blurring. It makes your skin look smooth. And also to melt that powder with that base and to make my skin look natural, I will be taking this LA Girl Pro Setting High Definition Setting Spray. Let this soak for a few seconds. Spraying some setting spray all over your face after you apply your foundation, concealer and your powder, just your base, will just melt everything in place and will make your face look natural. So I always like to spray after I do my base and before I do my highlighter and after I finish like everything. Now to contour my face, I'll be using LA Girl Velvet Bronzer Contour Stick. And also, if you guys want to know about all the prices, then I'll put every single detail in the description box below. Using that same Pure Beige concealer, I am going to clean up the lines. Now I will also add some blush. This is LA Girl Just Blushing Blush. This is in the shade Just Rosy. This is not matte blush. It is like satin, so I will not use that much, just a little bit. I think I applied a little too much. For highlighter, I'll use that luminator to the high points of my face, blending it with that same sponge. On top of this, I will use some powder highlighter. For powder highlighter, I'm using the LA Girl Strobe Light in the shade 110. Alright, so the face is now done. For the eyeshadow, I'll be using the LA Girl eyeshadow. This one is smoky one. This comes in 4 different types. Packaging is really cheap, but it comes in 4 different types. I got mine in smoky because I already have enough warm tone eyeshadow, so I wanted to try this one. It's not that expensive. This is my first time using this eyeshadow, so let's see if I am going to like this eyeshadow or not. I am going to take this color. This is not pigmented at all. Okay, let's see. I'm going to take this one, putting it right on the crease. This is blending quite well. Then taking this shade, which is a little bit darker than the first one, I'm going to dust the excess and I'm going to apply this to the corner of my eyes. Taking some concealer, just going to cut the crease. Setting this concealer with some powder to avoid this from transferring. Dark eyeshadow on small blending brush. I'm going to blend this line. For the lids, I don't know what I am going to use. I'll go with this one. And I'll mix these 2 colors. I am going to apply this to the inner corners. I have not done my brows yet. For the brows, I will use this brow pencil. Highlighting my brow bone with that same highlighter. For the lashes, I'll be using this random eyelashes from Miniso. I'm going to hide that last band with this eyeliner from LA Girl. Okay, for the lips I am going to use the LA Girl matte flat velvet lipstick. This is in the shade Snuggle. I really loved the formula of this lipstick, super creamy, but I don't really wear like glossy lipsticks, so I'm going to take this tissue paper. It's going to take that extra product. So yeah, this is the final look, you guys. Let me know if you guys like this video, and also let me know what another one brand tutorial you guys want to see. I would love to bring that for you. So yeah, this is the wrap for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If yes, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And as usual, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.